I think now is a good time to introduce loops also. Okay, now is a good time to introduce loops. So for loop everyone knows, and while loop everyone knows. I'll quickly just give you some basic examples. Right, this is a for loop which is run on range 5. And we are trying to compute the square of all the values in range 5. And by defining range 5, we are saying numbers from 0 to 4, which is where we start seeing 0, then 4 and square till square of 4. Now, how do I do the same thing with while loop? How do I get the same output? By using a while loop.
While I equals 5, print I exponents to 2 and increment I by 1
While I
equals to 5.
let's use a different variable. Okay. While j equals to 5. Something like
So
this.
j less than
No, no.
equal to 5.
Okay. J less than equal to 5. And
Print I exponents to I exponential to 2.
Print j place
Sorry,
exponent.
j, yeah.
print j exponent 2.
Exponential 2.
That's it. Something
And
else.
increment j with by 1.
Right. So I can write either this or I can do the earliest
J
type.
plus plus.
Right. J plus equal to 1. That's it. Anything else that is needed?
No, sir. Sir, we need to initialize j.
Exactly. Because j is not defined. If I run this, it says j is not defined. And how do I initialize that? With what value?
J equals 0.
J is equal to 0 will do now.
Yes.
Okay. So it might look like a very simple example, but it helps us understand the utility of using the while loop. Okay, I'll take more examples to tell you that it can be used. Both of these, in fact, could be used for better logic building. Now, do notice that this is giving us one more number. So when j value becomes equal to 5, it is still going to meet this criteria. Are you with me? When j's value is 5, it is still going to meet this criteria. Whereas we do not want 5 value to be considered. Right? So we should tell the criteria that don't entertain value of j more than 4. Clear, not clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? So be particular, be sure in writing this so that one extra iteration is not displayed extra, or let's say one less.